All right, traders, welcome back. I just wanted to do a little recap video, starting with the indexes for the week. So, the Nasdaq top 100 Nasdaq just, all 4 days red candles. I mean, if I zoom in here, there was a little bit of price discrepancy with the open and close, as you can see on a intraday chart. Well, this is the start of the week here, gap down, and then we got a gap up, and then gap down again. So, I mean, to me, that there is some discrepancy there. I just don't like these long, drawn out curves. It's just I think the selling off at the end of the day is people calling in to, I think the institutions are buying in the morning and they're obviously still selling throughout the day. But I think the reasoning that they have when they're selling at the end of the day is because customers are calling and saying, hey, I want to get out of my trades. I want to cash out, or I want to move it into, they're moving their money around within their broker, or within, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Goldman Sachs, whoever, they choose. But I think that's what's kind of going on there. And same thing with the SPY. So the NDX went down like 7.5% for the week, and the SPY went down 6%. And the same thing. So this was the open, or close of the Friday last week, and then gap down, and it just kind of didn't really do much that first day. But then we got a gap up, right? And it still kind of, there was buying pressure, but still just got shoved down. And then first thing in the morning, buying pressure again. Like I'm saying, I think those are the institutions buying it, in my opinion. And then at the end of the day, they're selling it too, but they're selling it for different reasons. Anyways. So, and then, I wanted to touch base on a couple of stocks I've been mentioning throughout the week. Tesla. I mean, she's just been eaten alive this week, really, though. I think she's down about the same, about that 6.5, 8, maybe even 8%. So I mean, they're definitely, the big names are getting sold off. It's not just the top 100 Nasdaq is getting sold off. But as you can see here, I mean, it is coming into maybe a possible bounce. As you can see, that it just crossed that 50 EMA, but as you can see here, there was quite a bit of buying pressure right there at the EMA as well, and quite a bit of volume throughout the day. As you can see here, I mean, it seems like quite a bit more volume than what we were seeing. So I think that could be a pretty good sign for going into next week. Actually, I think that's a really good sign going into next week. And then we got Apple. Apple did the same thing, performed terribly. I mean, the only list of stocks that did good was all my short list. I had a one watch list, and I mean, I had my, like I say, I categorize my watch list as like stocks I think are going to go up. I think I said that they're going to go up all week, but like I look at them in the mornings. I'm a day trader, so I trade them in the mornings, and I typically just get out. I might set a couple trailing stops or whatever, but they did. Some of them went up, first thing in the first thing in the week. They would go up first thing in the morning, right? Or at least a little bit here. And then, obviously this one was pretty good. It seemed like every day, actually, with Apple. Tesla and some of the other ones didn't perform like that. But I think those are really good signs going forward. So, anyways, just kind of wanted to touch base, maybe offer some encouragement, to some people out there that are hesitant. Because I think right now, I mean, if I was in a cash position, I would not get out. But since I'm on margin, and I know a lot of other traders are on margin, you can't just stay in those trades like that. So, anyways, just kind of wanted to touch base with everybody. Have a good weekend, and I'll come out with a Sunday watch list video probably, and we'll touch base again there. So, catch you guys later, and have a good weekend. Bye.